Morning everyone, how you all doing? Today I'm helping out Delal demod his car because he's ready to sell it and move on to something nicer. The current modifications that he's got is some front headlight tint, yeah. Some tints, window tints that we'll be taking off as well. Only these ones, not the rear windows. And also the tail light tint that will be coming off, nice, demodding.
I don't think we should take them off.
No, we're taking them off. They're going, bro. Some bits will be staying, for example, the mirror caps. Of course, as mentioned, the rear window tint and some carbon fiber bits. Carbon fiber. And some carbon fiber bits inside the car. But first off, we have to take off the reg, don't we? Well, that's already been done. That's admin on the DVLA website. Costs 80 quid to take off a reg. Madness, sadness. All right, what are we starting with?
You don't know.
Start with the back. Yeah, start with the back. Let's go. So we've got...
You look right now then.
I know, bro. Fuck you. Right, so we have to heat... I assume we have to heat this shit up.
What do you mean you assume, lad? You don't know what you're doing?
I don't know, lad. Lad, I think... What? Well, you have to heat it up to put it on. So I assume you have to heat it up to take it off, right? Right, so... Yeah, so heat up, play it. Peeling though.
It was already like that.
Ready? Great. It's coming. There you go, heat that bit up. Oh boy. It's coming, bro. Yeah, that'll beat this. That heat helps so much, you know.
It does.
Oh, it's not even like whoever laid it did a good job.
Yeah, no. The guy's just a dosser though, just to get booked in.
This is sick, this.
Have you ever done this before?
Nah, bro.
It's the first time, isn't it?
It's so satisfying, man. Done.
So look at the before.
No way. Look at that, man. Oh, but we've still got this bit to do.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Well, but the before and after is crazy, though.
Oh, it looks better with
Yo. Yeah, it does look better with it.
It does look so much better with it on.
Still. how sticky that is compared to heat. Done. Wait, let's have a look now. Ready?
That's horrible. That's meaty.
Back to stock, man.
I actually want to throw up, like.
I think you should take off the rear window tint though, but it'd be hard to do.
No.
That would be so hard to do.
No.
That'll take you about 3
Yeah,
hours.
like just the important ones. These are like sound. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
No one's gonna be asked with that. But tints on these.
I think you just have to whip it round and then let's do the front.
Hold the extension.
Or we bring in the extension all the way to the... Will it go? No, it won't.
Alright.
I'll just turn the car around, man.
Can we actually do this window though?
Right, I don't know about this. This is probably going to be the hardest one though. Delal, let's do the headlights first. Let's do the headlights first.
No, these don't need.
That needs to go, man. That definitely needs
Like
to
you
go.
can see though perfectly fine.
No.
Yeah, that's the thing though. How do you do it?
You just have to bring it down and then do the same. It's pretty much the same process.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it from the outside though?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know how far
does
it's
it not
gone.
go deep? They don't take the doors off, do they? Lad, you don't know. It has to be.
I don't know. Do you want to find out?
I don't know. How'd you get that off?
I just like glue remover.
Is it?
So, as you can see, the person who wrapped the front headlights must have overstretched the wrap because it's left this like horrid glue on the headlights. Or it's that we probably don't know how to remove front tint, but I assume he's overstretched the wrap and that's why it's caused that issue.
Consistency.
No way. Oh yes, that's one piece that.
That's one as well.
Oh, you wrap on the front windows.
Oh.
And the time finally came to remove the window tint, and initially me and Delal actually thought this was going to be so hard. There was going to be glue everywhere, but taking it off, heating it up, honestly it was actually very easy. Of course I would recommend, you know, 2 people doing it as it's quite fidgety, but as you can see, when you apply the heat it just softens up and you could take it off super easy. Me and Delal didn't even have to try, and we managed to actually take it off in no time. So yeah, it's pretty chill. Current situation, I think it has ripped down there, but we're not too sure if the tin goes within this rubber piece down here, so we're finding out as we go along because we're noobs. As for the interior mods, Delal has got some juicy stuff. Bit of carbon fibre, of course, on the steering wheel, on the centre dash bit, called centre console as well, and then up there, and this thing which is daft. I did tell Delal to take it off, but he won't listen, so hope you guys in the comment section down below can convince him if the car's not sold yet, if that's the case. The windows I'm actually quite surprised with, given the fact that it did actually have glue on them, and they've come out like crystal clear, feels pretty brand new. So the person who wrapped the windows did a great job, but they didn't wrap the front headlights well because there's still glue residue on there and it's pretty sticky. So not too sure how Delal's actually going to manage to get that off. It's a big pain in the arse. But as long as it's not on the paint job, then we are, you know, chill.